Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arcegua, known to be the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, we'll be continuing our journey with the church project, except we're working on a new area today, and then later on we'll continue with the other area. So let's go ahead and show you guys the new area we are working on today. So here's the flower bed we're going to be doing and transforming. We're going to level it out, remove the grass, and remove the palm. So this is the area. So we digged up all the grass and we leveled it out completely. So these are the plants we're going to use. These, we're sort of matching them with these. So they're going to be used here, but we're going to be using these bricks as edging to add a little bit more of an elegant look to this area. So we'll be right back when we're done. So here we have all the plants placed and the edging placed. I really love how this is going to come out. So let's plant. So to main gardeners, the labor is done and the work is done. So we did the area right here. So let me turn around the camera and explain more into detail about the plants. So to main gardeners, here's the new area. So we use the white jasmine in the center as our perennial, and as our annuals we use vinca right here. We used a light pink, a magenta, as well as a white, a pure white. We scatter these around. These will get fuller like these right here, and they'll get bushier and fill in this area, and the jasmine is going to fill in this area as well. These annuals will be removed eventually once the new season has come, but once again, here's the before and here is the after. Great aftermath. I love how this came out, because the thing I did not really notice is this has a little yellow eye, and these bridal bouquets also have it, so we incorporated that here, as well as the vincas from on this side too. So I love this area, you guys. So please leave me any comments down below on what you thought on this video, and I'll be making part 3 on updating or continuing the other project. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video. So to main gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, I did this project at the church. I love how it came out, and finally it's in my topic. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.